Hi, my name is Ben Freer, and in this video, I discuss the option of starting a cleaning business for the E-2 visa. Recently, I had a great client who opened up a cleaning business. He successfully applied for a change of status from within the United States. He went from visitor visa status to E-2. Then he successfully applied for the actual E-2 visa through the consulate in his home country. After having this experience, I gained some valuable insight into using a cleaning business to qualify for the E-2 visa. And I figured that it might be helpful to share some of this insight for anyone who's interested in starting a cleaning business or a similar service business for the E-2 visa. So let's jump right in and talk about a few of the benefits of investing in a cleaning business. The first advantage of investing in a cleaning business is that your upfront investment can be relatively low compared to other types of businesses. Since your business will be cleaning homes and commercial properties, there's not much of a need for an expensive office space or a storefront. Instead, you can purchase other things that your business actually needs, such as work vehicles, marketing, supplies, etc. When you tally up everything that your business will actually need to become operational, your overall startup costs will likely be below $100,000. This makes the option of opening a cleaning business accessible to many people. Another advantage relates to job creation. The market for cleaning services in the United States is massive. On the commercial side, Grandview Research believes that the global commercial cleaning market could reach $468 billion of revenue in 2027. And in regards to residential cleaning, the company OneDesk, in a report on the industry, notes that the U.S. Commerce Department anticipates that 80% of two-income households will use an outside house cleaning service within the next few years. This makes sense when I think of my own situation. Since both myself and my wife work, it was an easy decision to use a cleaning service. This frees up time to exercise and hang out as a family. So it's likely that the U.S. government official who reviews your application will have some understanding of the demand for cleaning services in the United States. And assuming that you have made a proper investment in your business, you should be in a great position to credibly demonstrate the need for employees as your business grows. This is particularly important because E-2 businesses cannot be marginal, which essentially means that your business cannot just support yourself and your family. A well-funded cleaning business with a clear marketing plan will be in an ideal position to explain how the business will generate profit and create jobs for U.S. workers. The third advantage of starting a cleaning business for the E-2 visa is that there are great franchise opportunities. 6 of Entrepreneur Magazine's top 100 franchises are cleaning businesses. The abundance of franchise options can be particularly beneficial for first-time entrepreneurs. Instead of trying to tackle the daunting task of developing your own brand and marketing strategy, you can buy into a tried and true business model. This can give both yourself and the U.S. government confidence that your business will actually succeed. Now, although there are many advantages of starting a cleaning business for the E-2 visa, there are also some notable disadvantages. For example, the relatively small investment could be an issue when applying through some U.S. consular posts that have a reputation for not taking smaller investors seriously. And even if you're not applying through a post that requires larger investments, it will be important to purchase everything that is necessary to support your aspirations of growing enough to support jobs. If the adjudicator thinks that based on your investment amount, you're simply creating a job for yourself, your visa application will be refused on the basis that your business is marginal. Also, on the business side of things, your ability to find employees could be a real challenge in a tight labor market like the one that we're currently experiencing. However, if you can navigate around these issues, a cleaning business can be a great choice. This type of business could enable you to provide a needed service while you earn a great living and provide jobs to U.S. workers. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you did enjoy this video, please like it or pass it along to someone who could benefit from it. Thanks for your time.